Good morning and a very warm welcome to our TUI Sensatori Atlantica Caldera Palace Resort in Crete. My name is Leanne, I'm part of your TUI Guest Relations team and I'm going to give you a lovely tour around our beautiful resorts. So this is where every single one of our guests starts their Sensatori experience. This is where the coach drops you right at the entrance of our Sensatori resort, where our porters will collect your luggage from the coach and personally deliver it to your room for you. So here, as you enter reception area, there will be welcome drinks waiting for you and our beautiful lobby area. Here you'll find our public relations team. This is Alyssa. Myself and Alyssa and the whole team at Sensatori work very closely together. We have a one-team vision and our goal is to make sure you have the absolutely best possible holiday. Here in resort we have 6 a la carte restaurants as well as our buffet restaurant. It's very easy to make a reservation at any one of our a la carte restaurants by using this reservation machine, or you can download the Atlantica Hotels and Resorts app. You just click on restaurants. It will give you a list of all the restaurants that we have available for you to book during your stay. These become available to book throughout your stay with us, and you can book them 2 days in advance. Your TUI Guest Relations team are here for you 7 days a week, 10 hours a day from the hours of 9 AM until 7 PM. We're here to help with absolutely anything you need during your stay with us. This is one of our family pools where you can enjoy time with your whole family. This is one of 3 of our family pool areas that we have for you to enjoy. We also have another family pool just up here which I'll take you to. This is a much shallower pool. So here we have our splash park. This is for our very special young guests to enjoy their very own pool area, or for the whole family to enjoy throughout the day. This does have its own bar area, so you don't have to leave the pool if you do get thirsty during our lovely warm summer days that we have here. So as part of the TUI Sensatori concept, we do have something called zoning. This means that we have an adult-only pool area and an adult-only bar. You can see this right behind me. I'm just going to pan around so that you can see it. So this is really relaxing with sunbeds within the pool. Also jacuzzi beds that we have in the pool area. And just over there you can see our adult-only bar. If you want to make sure you get the best possible spot in and around our resort, then we do have these barley bed options. These are bookable in reception and they come with different packages and also waiter service. So these are some of our luxurious swim up pools right by the beach, as you can see. Has lovely sea views here. And just to the right we have our stone grill restaurant where you can cook your own meat and different dishes on a hot stone grill. Right through here we have the entrance to our beach, so it's right on our doorstep. On the beach we do have sunbeds and parasols that are reserved specifically for TUI Sensatori guests only, and we even have waiter service on the beach. So here, just as the sun is rising on the Sensatori resort, as you can see, we're very close to the resort and the beach is right outside. The sea is very calm today. Really lovely place to just get out of the resort, not go too far, and go for a lovely dip in our beautiful deep sea. Here right behind me we have our main buffet restaurant. This is open for you for breakfast, lunch and dinner without having to make a reservation. They do the best breakfast. We have everything from just toast to cereals to fruit. We have your own honey here. We also have all of the traditional things back from home. In the main restaurant we do have a really nice outdoor seating area with beautiful views of the sea. So you can choose to sit in the air-conditioned room or out on the terrace in the sunshine with the views of the sea. For our younger Sensatori guests, they have their very own dining station. This enables them to choose their very own food at lunchtime, and this is also open for them for breakfast and dinner, so they can choose exactly what they want and help themselves on their own plate. So whilst you are here in Crete, we highly recommend that you try the traditional Cretan cuisine. So within all of our restaurants that offer a buffet selection, we have an amazing array of salads, obviously the traditional Greek salad, and also one of my absolute favourites, tzatziki. We are very lucky here in Crete. We enjoy some of the best weather in Europe. So this enables us to have our entertainment outside in the open air. This is our stage with our outdoor seating. And our shows go outside around about May time, and they don't have to come back inside until the end of September. This is our lovely boardwalk area. And as you can see, we've got a bar right behind, so when you're watching the shows, you don't have to go too far to get yourself a drink. As well as our adult only pool area, we do have our adult only bar area here right behind me at the Guru Bar. This is open every single day and right through until 1 o'clock in the morning. So if you want an adult only environment for the evening, this is definitely the place for you. So every single one of our Sensatori concept resorts actually has their very own childcare team. These are UK qualified childcare staff, and they are here to look after children from ages 0 to 12. We do have our playhouse and our sensory nursery, and we're just going to take a little look inside now.
Hello, I'm Hannah and I'm the childcare supervisor here at the TUI Sensatori Resort Atlantica Caldera Palace. Here's our nursery, let's go inside and have a look. Here's our nursery girls just here, give us a wave girls. Hello! Okay, so here is our sensory nursery. This is from ages 0 to 4 years old. Now we are outside of the playhouse and I'm going to show you exactly what we do inside our playhouse. Let's go inside. This is our playhouse. We've got some of our playhouse girls over here. Give us a wave, girls. Fantastic. So just over here, we have got our silly science lab. And also, if you come over to here as well, we have got our crazy kitchen area. So in this room, this caters for 3 to 12 years of age. And we do lots and lots of different activities.
This is out of the sunshine, nice little hideaway where you can enjoy some arcade games, a little bit of foosball and even a game of pool. We also have our table tennis table here, and this is our dance studio. So this is where a lot of our activities take place when they're indoors, where we have some hula hooping classes, some dance classes and also some fitness classes. If you feel the need while you're here to work off some of those calories that maybe you've been indulging in the all-inclusive buffet, especially with our absolutely delicious desserts that we have, then you can come and work out at our in-resort gym. This is open every day from 7 o'clock until 8. We're just going to quietly go inside and show you around. So this is where you can really pamper yourself during your stay here. This is where you can book a manicure, pedicure, and we even have a hair salon here. This is where you'll collect your pool towels on a daily basis. So you just pop your pool towel card into here and they will give you fresh towels as often as you would like from our pool towel station. If you do book any type of treatment within our spa area, then you do get the option to use this lovely indoor heated pool area. So we're just going to head to the sports hut now. The sports hut is where we meet for most of our activities throughout the day. So I'm just going to head you over now and speak to some of our sports and activities team.
Hello!
Hello!
Hello and welcome to the Sports Hut. This is where we meet for activities such as archery, tennis and football. So a member of staff will be here from the hours of 9 and 10 to answer any of your questions about personal training or our programme. But there will always be a chest of equipment here such as tennis rackets, footballs, etc. So you can help yourself at any hour of the day and go and use the facilities.
This is our Wellbeing platform. This overlooks our sea and also the views of our lovely resort. This is where we hold lots of activities such as yoga, Pilates, yoga lattes, and we even run meditation classes. This is our amazing Enlightenment Lounge. This is some of our very, very talented show cast. And this is where we hold our evening entertainment every single night, especially at the beginning and the end of season where we've moved it indoors. We do have an outdoor stage throughout the high season where you can enjoy the very nice warm evenings with us. They're just set up now for Playhouse Live for the families to enjoy, and then later on this evening one of our shows called Myth, where it's all about magic and illusion. Here in our Crete Sensatori Resort we hold lots of weddings throughout the season. Here is our lovely church located within our resort, and it's not hard to see why people would choose this destination for their wedding. Now, if you'd like to capture some of your Sensatori wow moments and also create some memories that you can keep forever from your Sensatori experience with us, we do have our in-house photographers. They offer some photo shoots around the resort and also on the beach area. If you've enjoyed this tour and you found it helpful in making a decision on where to go for your next holiday, you can subscribe here, and this will be able to show you our other Sensatori resorts. So thank you very much for joining me here in Crete. I do hope that you enjoyed our little tour of our resort, and we do look forward to welcoming you in future seasons where we can help you create those Sensatori wow moments.